Morning guys, so it's nice and early, it's about 5 a.m. and God, it's so early, we're not used to this. We're off to the Ulu Danu temple and it's about an hour away, so we try not to wake everyone up in the hotel. So we're gonna get the scooter ready and we're gonna be heading off, guys. Yeah, so it's a bit too early for us.
Very early.
Nothing's open, so you can't even get a coffee or anything.
I've got no coffee this morning. Hopefully on the way there'll be a coffee shop.
So we'll try not to get lost on the way. Right, meet Fiona the scooter, guys. So we're just gonna reverse out of the hotel and then we'll be going.
Be careful with that.
Oh, careful, careful. When you randomly find a dog on the side, a little puppy on the side of the road,
It won't leave you alone.
it won't leave you alone and you don't want it to get run over. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here on the road. Come here. Come here, little doggy. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hello, doggy. Right, guys, so we're fully awake now.
Fully awake after
And what is that?
afternoon drive. It's freezing.
Right, tip number one, if you come this way to the temple, it's in the mountains, so do your research properly.
I did tell him it was quite high up, but he didn't believe me.
I thought you got it wrong. It's a really scenic drive for the passenger because obviously you're concentrating so much on the road.
watching everything,
Lucky
seeing
you.
everything, all the views. It's beautiful.
But yeah, so get some warm clothes because it gets cold. And yeah, so we just arrived now, so we're just going to go around and see what it's all about. So behind us, guys, you got the temple Uludanu, and it's actually built on Lake Bratan.
And believe it or not, we are quite high up. We're 1,200 meters high, and it was built in 1633.
So guys, this temple, like most Hindu temples in Bali, is dedicated to Lord Shiva, but what really makes this one unique is the fact that they built it in honor of Duvidana, the goddess of the lakes, and to this day they use it for major ceremonies. Right guys, so this concludes our little tour of Uludanu temple, but to be honest, we were a little bit disappointed, I'd say, because they've turned it into more like a
theme park.
Yeah, I didn't want to say it, but yeah, you've got little figurines everywhere, and the bushes, the way they trim them, I don't know.
It doesn't seem like a place where you'd go to worship.
No, because it's meant to be a very religious place, you know, and they've turned it like a theme park, like a big, massive attraction. And I don't know if you can see, but I mean, people are going by the coachload. And I suppose, yeah, it's like every other place in Bali, but don't expect too much. I probably would skip this place and do something else.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
Drastic change of scenery, as you can probably tell. So we drove from the temple all the way up to the mountains to actually go to one of the waterfalls, which is called...
Oh my god, I can't pronounce it because I'm lost for words. This place is amazing.
Sekumpul.
That's the one.
Sekumpul Falls. It's a bit of a trek to find. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to go up the mountain to find it. First tip, do not stop at the registration offices because they're just there to mug money off you.
Yeah.
So you go all the way until you can't go any further. There's a car park, and that's where you pay your regular entrance fee, which is 150,000 rupees
That's
each.
£10 for English, and
Yeah,
then for US
$10
dollars you're looking about.
Yeah, so £10 for the both of us, yeah. And then you get a guide part of this as well, which is great. because if you don't know where you're going, you can easily get lost. So I don't know if you can see behind me, but we got waterfall here, and the main attraction here is Sekumpul Waterfall, which you'll see a little bit further down. But so far, absolutely stunning, so beautiful, unbelievable, guys. Right guys, I don't know if you can hear us. We are at the second waterfall, brother. We've got the camera hidden away because it's so wet. I mean, we've got the spray from the waterfalls behind us. It's incredible. I mean, it's once in a lifetime sort of thing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Wow. Right guys, so we just come back from the waterfall and it was just mind-blowing, absolutely stunning.
Speechless.
I mean, if there was one thing, guys, to do in Bali, would be this waterfall behind us. It's absolutely amazing. Just
stunning.
Yeah,
literally stunning.
It's a trek to get back up after once you've been there, but it's worth everything, literally. Just do it, guys. We couldn't have done this without this guy, Gede. He's our tour guide. He's been absolutely amazing. He helped us getting there. He helped us carrying our bags when we had to go through the current. If you go down to these waterfalls, make sure you ask for Gede. He's the man to help you.
Yeah, by all means, by all means. Otherwise, we couldn't have done it without him.
No, seriously.
Really
he helped us up through the rocks as well to get our Instagram shots. He's legend.
Yeah.
Right, he's got one thing to say though. What is that?
Okay. Don't forget, subscribe.
That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
He told you.
And hit that little bell icon so you know that the next video comes out. It's going to be ours.
Cheers, guys. Right, now we're going to finish making our way back up the mountain, and we'll get back to the scooter. So, babe, what's the weather forecast at the moment?
Sunny with no clouds and no rain.
This is a stay of me. So where did you get your nice dress, Nathan?
Nice dress, more like a tablecloth.